Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to install ComfyUI Portable, the latest version, and the ComfyUI Manager. Okay, let's go. Okay, first open Google. After opening Google, let's search for ComfyUI Portable. After searching for ComfyUI Portable, let's go to the first link. Download ComfyUI Portable from this link. Okay, downloading is begin. Okay, the downloading is finished. Let's move now right here and start Git. Type Git right here. We download. Git install from Windows. You can install it right here from Windows, or you can install it on Mac OS right here. I mean, it's on Windows. Right from Windows, there's this button to download. I already downloaded right here. Now, let's search for Python. Python Windows download. Okay, Python release for Windows. Choose latest version, stable release, and choose this version. 5 December 2025. Okay, click this button and go down to this one. Okay, it's the same thing. I already download a version of Python. Let's go right here. Press this button to go to downloads. It's download installing one by one. Let's begin with the Git. Okay, yes. Next. Extracting files. Take this, finish. Now let's install Python. Double click. Okay. Yes, install now. Okay, fine. I always download those requirements, Git and Python before you install the ComfyUI Portable. Okay, let's choose this ComfyUI Portable. Go ahead. Choose one and choose extract files. I want to extract in the D drive programs. Hit OK. And the extracting is big. It takes some time to extract all of those files. Okay, now let's go to the path. I extracted the files of the ComfyUI programs, ComfyUI Portable. Okay, would be let's install it, run it with the GPU first. This one is the best way. Okay, this it runs. Okay, the installation is begin. Okay, it's fine. The ComfyUI is installing correctly. Now let's install the ComfyUI Portable. Let's close this and close the ComfyUI. Let's install the ComfyUI Manager. So we have to put UI Manager. Where the GitHub link. Go down. We have this file. Download script. The script. Install Manager Portable for portable version. Okay. Let's open it. Now let's copy this script. Okay. After copying the script, let's create a new text file to ComfyUI Manager. Before that, I'll be add the extension. You have to add the script. Paste right here. Okay, save as. I'll file it to change the extension. Auto blah, not text. And this. Okay, this is my. Oh, no, that's right. Okay, the understanding of the ComfyUI Manager is begin. Okay, fine. Let's move to the next. Let's run it another time. Or do that. Let's delete this guy. Okay, fine. The answer link is finished. Okay, this is how to install ComfyUI and the ComfyUI Manager. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for the channel. Support me in the Twitter on the link on the description. I want to do more tutorials like this.